In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target US audience on TikTok ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a promotion that drives people in the United States to your website and turns views into sales. First, open your TikTok account and make sure you're logged in. From the bottom menu, go to your profile. Here, find a post you'd like to promote and tap the Promote option. This built-in tool is perfect for quickly turning your content into an ad without leaving the app. When TikTok asks about your goal, choose Get Sales. This tells the system you want people to take action on your site. On the next screen, tap More Website to direct traffic to a specific page. Enter your website URL carefully, double-check it for accuracy, and click Save. A clean link that loads fast on mobile can make a big difference in conversion. Now select the video you want to advertise. Pick a clip that captures attention in the first 2 seconds, clearly showcases your product or offer, and ends with a compelling call to action. Short, energetic content usually performs best on TikTok. Next, you'll define your audience. Tap. Create your own, then set the location to the United States so your ad exclusively reaches users in the US. Choose the age ranges that match your ideal customer profile, then select interests that align with your product or service. The more closely these interests match your niche, the better TikTok can find people likely to engage. Once you're satisfied, click Save. You'll now choose a promotion pack. This is where you set how much you want to spend and how long the promotion should run. Pick a pack that fits your budget and time frame, and take a moment to review the estimated reach TikTok provides. Select the pack, confirm the details, and click Pay to launch your promotion. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to confirm your payment method before finishing. A few quick tips to boost results. Keep your message clear and benefit-focused. Use captions and on-screen text so your value proposition is obvious even with the sound off. And make sure your landing page matches the promise in your video. After your ad goes live, monitor performance inside the Promote dashboard and refine your creative or targeting as you learn. That's it. Your TikTok promotion is now targeted to a US audience and ready to drive sales to your website.